The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is an outstanding camera for photographers who demand high-quality still images, as well as filmmakers looking for pro-level video capture. It has a new 30.4 megapixel full-frame sensor, providing plenty of resolution for demanding situations, from professional portraits to wildlife photography. The updated 61-point autofocus system covers up to 24% more of the frame and includes face detection. 4K DCI video ensures that the camera meets the highest standards for video quality as well. The camera's raw dynamic range has been significantly improved over previous 5D models. We also like the new touchscreen, which adds useful features such as tap to focus. Canon's dual-pixel autofocus provides reliable face detection and subject tracking in live view, while delivering the most accurate and natural-looking autofocus we've seen when shooting video. While the 4K video quality is excellent, the 4K recording is limited to motion JPEG format, which requires large, fast memory cards and may limit recording time. Overall, the Canon 5D Mark IV is a DSLR that will meet the needs of pros and enthusiasts who require high-quality images, excellent video, and a great user interface.
The Canon EOS 90D is a mid-range DSLR aimed at enthusiast and hobbyist photographers. The latest in a long line of APS-C DSLRs from Canon, the 90D is a very well-featured camera. Based around a newly developed 32-megapixel CMOS sensor, the 90D offers a boost in resolution over previous models and superior raw dynamic range. Using Canon's latest Digic 8 processor, the 90D offers face detection autofocus through the viewfinder and super accurate dual-pixel CMOS autofocus on the rear screen in live view and video modes. Speaking of video, the 90D can capture 4K at up to 30p without a crop. Face and eye detection autofocus is available in video mode, and Canon's range of stabilized lenses help keep footage smooth. Microphone and headphone ports are also provided. Ergonomically, the 90D will be familiar to long-time Canon users. An intuitive interface includes generous controls and a large 3-inch 1.04 million dot LCD screen on the rear of the camera. The display is touch-sensitive and fully articulating. The biggest physical change to the 90D compared to its immediate predecessor is the addition of an 8-way AF joystick on the rear of the camera. With continuous shooting possible at up to 10 frames per second and excellent battery life, the 90D is a fast and versatile camera intended to be a jack of all trades for everything from casual daily photography to sports and wildlife shooting.